Hi, it's Pekka from Logbullet, and welcome to Logbullet production facility. I'm manufacturing Logbullets, but I'm also a forester. I love to go to forest with chainsaw or curing saw and take care of our forest. My plan is now after Christmas that I will go with the chainsaw to the forest and do some first thinning. But the problem is that I don't have any Logbullets at the moment. I have sold every machine to customers, so I have to manufacture one for me. To manufacture one, I have to first weld one machine, then I will take that to powder painting and assemble that. And after that I can take that machine to forest and do some forestry stuff. So this first video is more about welding, and next video will be about assembly, and then I will have some forestry videos. I hope you liked the video, so see you soon. Bye. I have in my workshop, I have just basic tools. I got a really good welding machine, then I have forklift, then I have some other basic hand tools, but for example planks, I order those like this. So when I order, my supplier sends me this kind of components. It's my design, and it's really good for the welding. It's always the same. And over here, these kind of guides for the other components. And also like this quality is super good. It's smooth. So it's smart to take components like this. If I would have over here some small plasma machine, the quality would be worse. Then also like these components, I take this also laser cut actually. I could have over here saw and huge amount of time to making these, but the quality is so much better and it's faster. And also these components over here you have these guys for the woods. And it's also like faster manufacture. So when even before welding, these two components are together. So I then just weld these together. I use subcontractors for milling, painting, bending, and so only basic stuff over here. Everything what is better quality and cheaper outside my workshop, I order those from those shops. The only target over here is to be world best Logbullet welding shop. So in the Logbullet components welding, I want to be the best one in the world. And then in assembly, of course, I want to be the best place for the Logbullet assembly. But for the planks manufacturing, no. You have to choose your fights where you want to be the best. We did get that component welded. That was pretty easy and fast, and the welding quality looks good. So it's nice and solid. There is no pumps, it just goes nicely, and there isn't even so much grinding. So when the welding quality is good, the amount of the grind is smaller. And the same thing actually is with the design. Logbullet is designed for the manufacturing. So it's super easy to manufacture, It's also easy to maintain. So it's simple machine, simple structures, so it's good for everybody. My idea is to spend more hours in design table and to make machine easy to manufacture. Then I save a lot of hours in manufacturing. That keeps my cost down, and I can sell machines with affordable price. Hi. We did get rear frames welded. These are now ready over here. And next I will weld also front frame. After that I will send these components to paint shop. They will paint those with powder paint. I will get components back and I will assemble my Logbullet. After that I will go to forest and make some first thinning and enjoy my life. If you did like the video, please press like and also please subscribe Logbullet's YouTube channel. There will be at the end also a few video success next videos about Logbullet you can look. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.